Morning, guys. How's everybody doing? It's Friday, May the 12th. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's got some good plans for the weekend. I'm going to go over the currency. Hope everybody's made money this week. I know I have. Had several good trades. So I hope everybody's following the system, the plan. And when you get up to 60 to 80 pips, you take off half or a third or a fourth, whatever you feel comfortable with, and then you're letting the rest of it run, and you're protecting that. But you've got money no matter what happens at that point. You just hope you have more money. We're going to start on the pound dollar. It's in a buy mode. This is from yesterday. It's pulling back in it. Could be a low risk buy. This is a 1 hour. Could be a low risk buy. If it can get down into here, won't have but maybe a $10 loss if you're wrong. And the 4 hour, let's see what it says. It's still in sell mode, so it could come out. Those are conflicting, so it could come on down to here. So that 1 hour buy may be nullified. You can take it just in case. That low is well, what is the low? It's not showing. Why is that? So we'll go to the Aussie dollar. It's trying to make a 1 hour buy, but that doesn't end for another 30 minutes. So that could go away. That signal on the Aussie dollar 1 hour. The 4 hour still in sell mode, so those are conflicting. So nothing to do on that one. On the Aussie dollar, Euro CAD. Took this trade. I hope you all got this when it pulled back down into here. Actually, I didn't get in on that candle. I got in toward the low of this candle, so I could have got a little bit better price, but still I was happy with it because my stop was going to be there anyway. I've already took half off of my position. I've already moved my stop up from here to a little bit above my entry, which is in here. So that trade is going to make money. I got 78 pips on this move up. Took half off, so this one's going to make just a couple of pips. So I'm hoping it's going to continue pushing up, but if not, I've still made money on the Euro CAD regardless. That's on the 1 hour. That was a buy from the day before yesterday, I believe. 4 hour. I think there was a 4 hour buy in there too. No, it never. No. Well, wait a minute. Nope, didn't make it a signal there. That's why I take quick trades, because they could turn around and just come right back down. It's just a retracement, could be, on the Euro CAD, because the Euro seems to be weak right now, at least this month. CAD yen still in sell mode. See what the 1 hour's got. It had a buy signal. Really didn't get a chance. I really needed it to come down in here on the 1 hour to get in on a low risk trade. Sometimes you miss those. You just have to move on to the next one. There's plenty. Odd yen is in a buy mode. There was the buy. You had several opportunities. It just hadn't really gone nowhere yet on the 1 hour. The 4 hour has not made a buy yet on the odd yen. So if you're in the buy on that, remember that's your stop. So it could go lower. But if you got in there, you got a really low risk trade. pound odd. It made a buy the day before yesterday. There was your opportunity to get in long right there. You should take it off half. It's got a sell on the 1 hour that showed up. So you need to move your stop. Oops, that was there's the 4 hour. No buy yet though on the 4 hour. So that sell could be good. That would be your stop. Yeah, if you got in right there, you should have taken most of your profit already and have moved your stop up at least to right there. If you got in on this candle, move it up to at least right there. But with that 1 hour sale and the 4 hour still showing a sale, those are kind of in agreement. So I would try to move my stop up or just go ahead and get out since it's the weekend anyway. And you won't have to mess with that. The pound CAD made a buy, came back down, has gone up, now it's trying to come back down. That one's kind of wishy-washy right now. 4 hour has not made a buy yet, still in sell mode. So those aren't in agreement. Remember, the 1 hour could be just a retracement when the 4 hours in a sell. That's all it could be. So you got to take your profits quickly, which if you got in there or even there, you could have already. That's on the pound CAD. The pound yen, I got in on this yesterday and here. I've taken half my profit off. I've moved my stop up from where it would have been right here to my break even. Hopefully it's going to push up some more. But I've made money on that regardless on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still in sell mode. So that should be just a retracement on the 1 hour before the sale continues. You have to remember that. That's why you have to take profits. You know, at least half. That's what I do. I've learned a long time ago from mistakes to take half off. From 60 to 80 pips, depending on where the pivots are for each currency, and that's on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand, I got in this yesterday. The 1 hour, I've already taken half my profit off on it. It's trying to make a sell on the 1 hour. It made a buy on the 4 hour. I'd like to see a pull back down into here. Remember, the euro has been weak, so this could just be a retracement. Is all it is. The euro's been weak in the month of May, and that may continue. The Euro New Zealand, you got to take your profits quickly on those. Made a big move up. Pound New Zealand's probably going to be the same way. Yep, there's the buy mode from yesterday. There was your chance to get in. Perfect right there. Perfect on the 1 hour. And there you go. Now it's in a sell. Got a 1 hour sell signal. And the 4 hour is in buy mode. So both of those are still in buy mode. Even though those are 1 hour sell signal. That could go away. But you had a chance to get in on the pound New Zealand and make some good money. Hopefully y'all have done that. New Zealand yen is making a 1 hour buy. That's looking pretty good. The 4 hour probably doesn't have a buy yet. And it doesn't. It's still in sell mode. So those don't agree, but this could be a retracement back up into here before the sale continues on the New Zealand yen. Because the 1 hour is in a buy. So if you wanted to, that's the low of that candle is your risk. If you wanted to get in, you're not risking much for the buy on the New Zealand yen. And finally, the Euro yen is in a buy from yesterday. Didn't really give you a good pullback. Remember, the euro has been weak, so this could be just a retracement. Could come back down in here. The 4 hours probably still in a sell. No, it actually made a buy. Wasn't a sell. It actually made a buy signal. Boy, you'd love to see a pullback right down into here for a buy, a low risk buy to get in. That's what I'm looking for. Well, that's the video for today, guys. Hope everybody does is lock in your profit. It's the weekend. If you don't want to hold over the weekend, go ahead and take your profits on your second half or third or fourth, ever how you're doing it. Take it off. Just please take it off. Because we're coming up on the summer months here in about another month. And you're going to have to take profits quicker. Because there's not as much volume. So the range is not going to be as much as what it has been. So I hope you guys have a good weekend. Plan on seeing you on Monday. Still working on doing a live stream. It would be from around about 8:15, 8:20 in the morning Eastern time until probably about 11:30, 11 or 11:30 Eastern time, and then I may come back on later in the day to see where everything, if there's another setup toward the end of the day at the US close, because sometimes there's a start of setups at that particular time. But I'll keep you informed on that. Hope everybody has a good weekend. See you on Monday.